Imagine you are driving down the road and suddenly your engine starts sounding like it is chewing on a bag of marbles, or it just feels like it has lost all its punch when you step on the gas. That frustrating situation is exactly what happens when your vehicle stores a P0334 code, which means your PCM has detected an intermittent signal from your knock sensor number 2 on bank 2. Now, don't let the technical talk intimidate you, because bank 2 simply refers to the side of your engine that does not have cylinder number 1. Think of the knock sensor as a tiny microphone that is tuned to listen for specific vibrations. It uses a special piezoelectric crystal that generates a tiny bit of voltage whenever the engine shakes. Your computer, the PCM, is constantly watching this voltage to make sure your engine is running smoothly. But if it sees a signal that is jumping all over the place or completely missing, it throws this code to protect the engine from self-destructing. This is actually a pretty serious deal, because if the engine is truly knocking and the sensor is failing to report it, you could end up with a hole in a piston or a broken connecting rod before you go grabbing your tools. Remember that these sensors are often tucked away on the side of the engine block near the coolant passages, so if the engine is hot, you could get a nasty burn from pressurized coolant if you unscrew them too soon. I have seen many cases where these sensors or their wires get smashed during other repairs, like replacing a starter or engine mounts. So your first step should always be a thorough visual check of the wiring for any signs of burning or fraying. If the wires look good, you will want to use a DVOM to check the live signal while the engine is running to see if the sensor is actually producing that tiny voltage it is supposed to. Sometimes a simple loose connector or a bit of corrosion is the only thing standing between you and a perfectly running truck. So take your time and follow the TUSB guides for your specific model to save yourself a lot of headache and money.